Okay, welcome to my final project. Um, First, we are going to take a look at this vehicle view. As you can see, we have a couple of reviews that have been left for this vehicle. Let's pick a new one to review. This one doesn't have any. It asks me to log in to leave a review. So when I click there, it takes me directly to this page where I will log in. Maybe. There we go. And you can see that I have a bunch of different reviews. We'll come back to that. We are going to go back to the surveillance ban where we will leave a review. Okay, and we are going to click add review. For some reason, it's taking me back here, but if I go back into this, it shows me that a review has been left. If I click here on this link, it takes me to my admin page where you can see that I do have several different reviews that have been left. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to edit this one. And we are going to update it. And it tells us that the review was successfully updated. Now I do have a couple of extras, so if I click on that, it's going to show me a previously left one because apparently I submitted it too many times. I hit delete and I automatically am down to just 2. I'll do that one more time just to clean things up. And there we have it. Separate separate reviews that have been updated. We'll take a look and see how everything comes out. So it comes out like that. If we check this page and validate the CSS, oh, that's not good. Am I hitting? Oh, I hit the wrong one. Oh my goodness, I hit the wrong one. As you can see, it is valid CSS. And if we go to, if we look at this, did we look at this page? I think we looked at this page. I'm going to come and look at the mystery machine here. We can validate the HTML. And it is valid, no errors found. We can also come in here and change its size. It responds. and changes. Need to validate a different portion. So if we come in here and we go to edit, wrong one, HTML is still good. And if we go into the delete function, we still have good CSS, no errors. I think that is everything. I think that's everything. The controls go.